Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Are you ready to level up your marketing game and connect with your audience directly from your Squarespace website? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to use Squarespace's built-in email marketing feature. By the end, you'll be able to set up, style, and send your very first email campaign, all without leaving your site's dashboard. So if you're a business owner, bloggers, or just looking to keep in touch with your community, stick with me and let's dive right in. Start by logging into your Squarespace website dashboard. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Email Campaigns on the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click it. This area is where all your communications magic will happen. Now, to begin your masterpiece, just click on Create. It's a simple button, but this one lays the foundation for your entire email outreach. At this point, Squarespace will prompt you to pick either a ready-made template or start from scratch with a blank canvas. If you're short on time or want a polished look fast, like most of us, select a template. Templates are fantastic because they come with layouts and elements designed to look good and perform well. Of course, if you love customizing every detail, you can start blank and make it yours from the ground up. After choosing your template, you'll land inside the Email Design Editor. This is where the real fun starts. Take a moment here. It might seem like a lot, but all these options help your email truly reflect your site and brand. You'll see sections for email styles. Basically, these let you quickly match the newsletter to your existing website. Click the Match Site option. This automatically pulls in your logo and color themes, so your email has a familiar and professional vibe. It's just like inviting someone into your digital home. Next, you have control over backgrounds. Email background and content background. Tweak these to ensure your message pops but stays easy to read. Maybe you want a fresh accent color behind your content, or perhaps you'll stick with classic white for clarity. Think about what's comfortable for your readers. Readability means your message doesn't get lost. Fonts and font packs are up next. Squarespace offers options like Modern Sans, perfect for a clean and modern look. You can adjust font sizes for headers and body text, making information stand out where it matters. If you're unsure, imagine you're receiving this email. Would you find it easy and inviting to read? That's your goal. As you design, pay attention to link colors. Consistent, eye-catching links encourage people to click. If your brand uses a signature color for calls to action on your site, try using that here too. This builds trust and recognition. Moving on to your campaign details. Add a strong subject line. This is often the make or break moment for whether someone opens your email or skips past it. Try something engaging but clear, like monthly updates from your business or exclusive offers just for you. If you want extra guidance, Squarespace will show best practices to help your email stand out in busy inboxes. You can preview your email before you send it. Take advantage of this feature. It's like seeing a rehearsal before opening night. Double-check images, links, and formatting. If anything looks off, make adjustments here. To send your email, you'll need to set up your mailing list. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. You can create or import recipients right in Squarespace. But for this demo, I don't have a list to send to. If you do, you'll be able to specify your sender details, add your legal address for compliance, and even schedule your campaign for perfect timing, either right away or at a future moment. Once everything looks good, you have the option to send a test email. I always recommend this, even if you're experienced. It's a quick way to catch any last-minute issues before your entire mailing list receives your message. And that's really all there is to it. Using Squarespace's email marketing tools is user-friendly and powerful, perfect for both beginners and seasoned marketers. If this walkthrough helped you out, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Leave any questions below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.